I'm Tracy from Querri. If you struggle to make sense of data from messy spreadsheets, complex databases, or products like HubSpot, Querri can help. In seconds, Querri can connect and clean data from different sources and give powerful insights and visualizations that can be shared with your whole team. No coding, no SQL, no pivot tables. Regardless of your technical ability, Querri is an AI data analyst for everyone. Let's start with the homepage. With Querri, you can upload CSV, XLSX, JSON, Parquet files, or connect directly to your live data to create your data library. How's business? Once your project is created, Querri gives you instant insights, and we can see that we need to tighten qualification and maybe analyze lost deal reasons. And because Querri understands your business context, you can drill down further with smart recommendations or ask a more complex question like show lifecycle conversion rates and highlight the biggest drop-off. Querri remembers every step I take and creates a transparent, repeatable data flow. Now I can track progress without having to prompt with the same questions every day. I can even chain the outputs of one project into another. From this point, I will usually tell Querri to build visuals of my insights, but in this case, let's instruct it to create a full dashboard. Dashboards are interactive, shareable, and automatically updated as your data changes. I can click inside any graph, get my details at a granular level. I can also share with team members with varying permissions, share with my whole organization, or create a public link. And if I wanted to automate these reports, I could do so daily, weekly, and monthly. You can share projects just like dashboards, export results back into your data library, or download beautifully formatted Excel files. No more siloed data. Empower your entire organization to be data-driven.